Hello everyone, my name is Nabil. Here I will make a tutorial on how to install Debian 10 on VMware. Required ingredients is this. Then we proceed to the process. We open the VMware application, then click create a new virtual machine. Select typical and click next. Select Debian 10 DVD1, then click next. For our virtual machine name, random. Click next, next, next again. Select graphic install. Select English and continue. Select all other and continue. Asia, continue. Indonesian, continue. United States, American English. Press go back. Select the bottom one. Continue. Enter any password you like. Continue. Enter name whatever. Type in the password whatever. Select a city in your time zone. Continue. Continue again. Continue. Again. Select yes and continue. Select no and continue. Select no again and continue. You can choose no or yes. Here I choose yes. After that, continue. Continue again. Click yes and continue. Click Dev SDA and continue. Click continue. Click enter on keyboard. And done. Here I enter the password. This is an application for Debian 10 and finish. That's how to install Debian 10 on VMware. Thanks for watching my video to the end and goodbye.